Good morning everyone. I am Reena Misra from Bajral Government High School, Majhapada. Welcome you all to English virtual class Sundargarh. So today I am here with a topic, the predicate phrase. It is the last topic of your English grammar book. As we know, the sentence has two parts, the subject part and the predicate part. The predicate part contains the verb group plus other words. So what are the other words and how do they function? That is our topic today, and I hope it will help you in your exam and also help you in your class 10th, as it is a very related topic in types of sentence. So let's start our topic. So before going to learn details about the predicate phrase, let's know the transitive and intransitive form of verb. So what is transitive and intransitive? So look at the sentence here. The A group sentence. The girl is nice. What is written here? The girl is nice. Second sentence. The girl is laughing. Look at group B. In group B it is written, the girl bought a pen. She presented it to her brother. So what is the difference do you find here? So let's know number 1 and number 2 sentence. Sentence number 1 and sentence number 2. They don't have passive form. Ame yahaku passive form kari pariba nahi. Here the auxiliary acts as the main verb. The girl is nice. We can't change the sentence into passive form. The girl is laughing. Here also we can't change the sentence into passive form. Why? Because there is no object here. Subject is here and verb is here. So there is no object, so we can't change the sentence into passive form. Whereas you find here, the girl bought a pen. She presented it to her brother. The girl here subject, but verb, a pen, object. So here we can change. So what is passive form? In passive form, the subject becomes object and object becomes subject. Ame taku change kori pariba. Kemiti? A pen was bought to the girl. A pen was bought. Ame pen ku subject kari kiri ame lekhi pariba. So the verbs in sentence 1 and 2 are intransitive and in third and fourth are transitive. So simply kahibaku gole, the verb which contain an object, जो verb रा object थिबा, that is called a transitive verb. और जहाँ object न थाए, that is called an intransitive verb. So look at the diagram here. Intransitive verb and transitive verb. So intransitive रे कौन थाए? So intransitive verb contain verb group plus adjoint. What is an adjoint? Adjoint is an extra part of a sentence. We will learn about detail. And verb group plus complement plus adjunct frame a intransitive phrase. Transitive रे कौन था? Verb group plus object plus adjunct. Verb group, object, direct object, indirect object plus adjunct. Verb group plus object plus complement plus adjunct. So what is the difference between here, the intransitive and transitive? Look at here. Here also verb group are found in every form, transitive and intransitive. Adjunct, complement, it is also found in intransitive form and transitive. So the difference is object. We will not find object in intransitive. Intransitive रे केते बेले intransitive verb रे केते बेले object आसीबो नाही. Transitive verb रे सब बेले object आसीबो. So the verb group that contain object is called transitive verb. आ जोथरे object न थाए, that is intransitive verb. So look at the following sentence. Number 1. The man died yesterday. भलो करी देखो sentence गुराको. The man died yesterday. Here the verb group plus adjunct. How? Here the man is subject, died is verb, main verb. Yesterday it adjunct. यहाँ को कहले भी चलिबो न कहले भी किछि प्रॉब्लम नाही द मेन डाइट कहले भी गोटे कंप्लीट सेंटेंस हे पारुछि यस्टरडे जस्ट एक्स्ट्रा मीनिंग हमको प्रोवाइड करूछि एटा को ड्रॉप कर देले मध्य यहाँ अनग्रामेटिकल हेबो नाही ओके सो हियर verb plus adjunct look at the second sentence Sachin was the captain a few years ago Sachin here what subject was verb कौन थिला captain Sachin was the captain here it is complement a few years ago adjunct so the sentence is same like that Sachin was the captain a few years ago here you will find subject verb complement and adjunct I am writing the lesson now subject I am writing verb the lesson object I am writing what object को केमिति हमें find out करिबा गोटे क्वेश्चन अछि how do you find the sentence has an object you will question what or whom I am writing what I am writing the lesson what रे आंसर कानो आसुची the lesson तो lesson ता verb संगे डायरेक्ट रिलेशन अछि the lesson हिला object I ate a mango मु कोन खाइली I ate what I ate a mango हेगला object verb अछि ate रो हेगला mango he writes poems से कोन लिखे he writes poems he writes what he writes poem हेगला object so by questioning what and whom or who we can find the object I am writing the lesson now is not necessary part of this sentence so it is an adjunct he is teaching me grammar now look at the sentence carefully he subject verb कोटा verb group is teaching he is teaching what grammar object हेगला he is teaching grammar subject verb आसला कोन पढौचंती grammar whom काहाकू मते आ गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट आसीला तो एटा डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आ एटा इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आसीला नाउ रो किछि एम्ति दरकार नाही रहिले भी चलिबो न लिखले भी किछि असुविधा नाही सो इट इज एडजंक्ट he is teaching me grammar the result proved him wrong yesterday here see the result subject proved verb the result proved him wrong him टा कोन ऑब्जेक्ट wrong complement SVOC the result proved him ताको कोन प्रूफ कला भल ना खराब ना किछि तो गोटे थिबो ताहा को वर्ड जणा पड़छि wrong रो जणा पड़छि so wrong is complement to the object here the result proved him wrong and yesterday is adjunct so it is the pattern here SVA pattern SVCA SVO SVOO SVOC ए पैटर्न गुडा को हमें देखिबा को पाऊ these are other examples subject plus verb SV pattern Josh yawned SVO pattern he rubbed his head he subject rubbed his head he is a teacher एथरे कोन असला he subject असला each verb a teacher complement he is खाली कहि देले हमकु सेंटेंस ता कंप्लीट जणा पडू नाही सेंटेंस इज नॉट कंप्लीटेड और ग्रामेटिकली नॉट करेक्ट इफ ओनली वी राइट he is a teacher लिखिबाटा निहाती जरूरी इट इज वेरी एसेंशियल सो इट इज complement SVC pattern look at here SVA subject verb adjunct he stumbled झुंटीबा he stumbled into the kitchen he stumbled से झुंटी पड़िला कोठी पड़िला ना एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन दउची तो झुंटीबा विषय रे किछि एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन दउची इनटू द किचन कोठी से को स्थान रे सो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी ही स्टम्बल्ड इनटू द किचन सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एंड एडजंक्ट SVOO subject verb object his flatmate gave him a cup of tea his flatmate तो सब्जेक्ट हेगला ताका विषय रे कहूचो gap verb कोन देले verb आसीला ऑब्जेक्ट कोडा डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट his flatmate gave what कोन देले a cup of tea काहा को देले him indirect object direct object लास्ट रे आसे और इनडायरेक्ट मझिरे प्राय आसे आमे ताको इंटरचेंज भी करबा नेक्स्ट आमे सिखिबा सेटा SVOC पैटर्न he called Jose a fool से कहिला he called कहा को कहिला he called whom रे आसिला जोस सो एटा हला ऑब्जेक्ट एथि तो हम बुझी पारना he called जोस कहिले कंप्लीट सेंस आसु नहीं लेखिबा को पड़िला a fool के an intelligent जहां भी लेखो तुमे he called Jose a fool हेगला हमर कंप्लीमेंट SVOC पैटर्न नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट एडजॉन Jose held his head Jose सब्जेक्ट ला held धरिला his head कौन धरिला सब्जेक्ट Jose held what Jose held his head ऑब्जेक्ट हला in his hand एटा नेसेसरी नुहे एटा हला एडजॉन so this is all about the pattern SV pattern the clown giggled subject verb the child cried subject verb so we can make a sentence by using the subject and the verb only this is subject verb SV pattern look at the table here you will find 3 columns subject verb and complement subjects verbs and complements object विषय हमें जानिला हमें object केमिति जानिबा what के how क्वेश्चन करके हमें what की whom से क्वेश्चन करके हमें जानि परिबा नेक्स्ट देखो टेबल subject verbs और complements subject they are players he is wise I am an Indian. The class became dark. It grew noisy. She seems absurd. The boy was angry. So, if you hide this column, जदि आमे ए column को देखिबा नहीं, आउ ए दुई column खाली subject और verb को नेबा. If you take only the subject and verb, you cannot make a sentence. He is complete sense होची होनी the class became किछि बुझा पडुची we can't understand if you only take subject and verb we need the complement here we badly need the complement here to complete the sentence so as they are very essential part of the sentence they are called complement they complete the sentence that means they are called complement so the we verb here what are the we verbs eat am watch where they are called be verb they take complement आमे complement अछि आमे केमति जानिबा गोटे इजी तरीका अछि each am are was were ए जो be verb एटा जोठी थिबो when they are found in the they act as the main verb they take complement next आमे एक्टिविटी करिबा and other verb आ किछि verb अछि जेमति देखो become मने रखु था seem, appear, grow, look, taste, smell, feel. So these words become, seem, appear, grow, look, taste, smell, feel. They also take complement. এই সব word যদি verb হিসাবে থিবো, if you will find these words in the sentence, definitely the complements will complete the sentence. सेठार देखिबो निश्चित भाबरे complement ही थिबो. तो be verb थिबो आ ए word गुडा कथिले it will be easy for you to identify the complement. केते बेले हमको दरकार पड़िबो एटा मने रखिया पई जेते बेले तुमको दिया जिवो क्वेश्चन identify the complement or object in the sentence. Object जानि केबा कहिले what or how whom क्वेश्चन करबा को पड़िबो आ complement अछि कि नाही सेटा जानिबा कहिले तुमको एई be verb देखिबा को पड़िबो आ ए word गुडा को जदी अछि सेटा complement निश्चित भाबरे थिबो. Then subject verb object pattern SVO pattern the baby broke the toy the baby broke the toy एठी कोन ए टॉय टा कोन कॉम्प्लीमेंट ना ऑब्जेक्ट केमिति जानिबो ब्रोक the baby broke what आमे जदी क्वेश्चन करबा the baby broke what the baby broke तो टॉय कोन भांगिला टॉय भांगिला तो एटा गुटे ऑब्जेक्ट वर्ब रो ऑब्जेक्ट हिला he caught a big fish he caught कोन धरिला he caught what a big fish object Swati writes poems Swati writes what आमे जदी व्हाट क्वेश्चन करबा स्वाति राइट्स व्हाट पोएम सो ए व्हाट क्वेश्चन कले जो आंसर ता सुची सेटा हला हमर ऑब्जेक्ट आमे सेमिति आइडेंटिफाई आमे करि परबा नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी रे सो द मेन वर्ब दैट टेक्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट आफ्टर इट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिटिव आमे आगरो पढिचे आ द मेन वर्ब दैट डजंट नीड एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट इज कॉल्ड इंट्रांजिटिव ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब रे कोन थाए निश्चित भाबरे वर्ब सहित गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट थिबो आ ऑब्जेक्ट नथले सेटा इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब आमे कहिबा नेक्स्ट SV डबल ओ पैटर्न आमे सेत्र गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट देखितिला आ बेले बेले इन द सेंटेंस यू विल फाइंड डबल ऑब्जेक्ट डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट शी गेव मी हर टेलीफोन नंबर शी गेव मी हर टेलीफोन नंबर शी सब्जेक्ट कार विषय में कुछ सी वर्ब रे कोन आसुची गेव सब्जेक्ट हिगला वर्ब हिगला शी गेव व्हाट टेलीफोन नंबर हर टेलीफोन नंबर सी गेव कौन देला से टेलीफोन नंबर एटा डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट कौन देला टेलीफोन नंबर देला कहा को देला मी एटा हैला इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट सो इन दिस सेंटेंस यू विल फाइंड टू ऑब्जेक्ट डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट सो नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस शी कुक्ड अस अ डिलीशियस मील सी सब्जेक्ट कुक्ड वर्ब She cooked what? She cooked what? She cooked delicious milk. She cooked delicious milk. Eta direct object hegla. For whom? For us. Eta hela indirect object. So you will find two object here. SV double O pattern. आसे क्वेश्चन रे गोटे सेंटेंस देथिबो आओ तुमको मल्टीपल चॉइस रे आसे को फॉर्म रे अछि को पैटर्न रे अछि फाइंड आउट करया पई आसे He passed me the salt. He passed me the salt. Subject, past verb. He passed what? Salt. To whom? Me. Object. Duita object asila. Grandmother tells us stories. Grandmother subject, tells verb. कौन कहती? Story. Object. कहा को कहती? Us. Object. So this is SV double O pattern. You will also try to frame sentences that is based on SV double O pattern. Next, SVA pattern. SVA pattern. Here you will find the subject plus verb plus adjunct. Subject thibo, verb thibo, adjunct thibo. Mahesh got up early. Mahesh got up early. Here Mahesh is subject. Mahesh is subject. Got up. Mahesh got up. उठिला महेश उठिला एथिरे आ किछि न ऐड न कले मध्ये में बुझी पारछो महेश गट अप कहिला में बुझी पारछो द सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीट अर्ली उठिला अर्ली टा एक्स्ट्रा किछि इंफॉर्मेशन दउछि तो अर्ली को हमें कोन कहिबा एडजंट सो एडजंट इज द एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस हमें ताको ड्रॉप कर देले भी किछि असुविधा हेबो नाही द प्राइम मिनिस्टर अराइव्स एट भुवनेश्वर टुमारो द प्राइम मिनिस्टर सब्जेक्ट अराइव्स verb arrives at Bhubaneswar tomorrow it is adjunct kiye tomorrow okay the prime minister arrives at Bhubaneswar एथिरो हमको सेंटेंस ता कंप्लीट अछि ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट भी अछि tomorrow टा किछि एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन ताको लिखिले भी चलिबो न लिखिले भी किछि असुविधा नै tomorrow is adjunct here Mani writes beautifully is here adjunct the chatter will be reported as soon as possible as soon as the officer arrives as soon as एठरे हमर हिला एडजंट एटा लेखिबा दरकार नै न लेखले भी किछि नाही किंतु एक्स्ट्रा किछि इंफॉर्मेशन देबा पे हमें सेउडा को यूज करिछु सो दे आर कॉल्ड एडजंट सो लेट्स डू एन एक्टिविटी बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग से वेदर द वर्ब्स इन दिस सेंटेंस आर ट्रांजिटिव एंड इंट्रांजिटिव मो कहि सारि छी ऑलरेडी ट्रांजिटिव कोन और इंट्रांजिटिव करो जोथरे ऑब्जेक्ट थिबो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब सहित ऑब्जेक्ट नथिले सेटा इंट्रांजिटिव स्कूल मन बुझले So first sentence is John is playing outside. John is playing outside. Here the verb is transitive or intransitive. Whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. Transitive or intransitive. John is playing outside. तमे verb को first देखिबा को कहते जदी be verb कथा मने पकेइबो become appear ए तो वर्ड को मने पकेइबो जानि परबो जदी नोट करछो जानि परबो. John is playing outside. Transitive or intransitive?
Intransitive.
Intransitive. Very good. How do you know? एठे कोन अछि? Is be verb अछि ना? John is playing outside. एथरा में what करके क्वेश्चन दे हुए नहीं, so it is intransitive. Next. Children like sweets very much. Second question, children like sweets very much.
Transitive.
Transitive. Why kahi ki transitive कहि परिबो? Object अछि.
Be verb.
Children like what? Children like sweets. Object अछि. Object माने अछि माने transitive. Next, he has changed a lot. Next one, he has changed a lot. Anyone?
Transitive.
Transitive.
Intransitive. Intransitive.
Intransitive. Yes, it doesn't have any object. It's object nahi mane intransitive hebo. Varsha offered me a nice gift. एथे देखो ऑब्जेक्ट अछि की फाइंड आउट करो. ऑब्जेक्ट देखो कि तुमे ट्रांजिटिव intransitive कहि परिबो.
Transitive.
Offered me. Very good. काहे की कहि परिबो?
Transitive.
और ट्रांजिटिव जे काहे की ट्रांजिटिव केमिते जानिलो?
Object अछि.
ऑब्जेक्ट कोडा कहि परिबो?
Object.
A nice gift. Yes, गोटे दुईटा ऑब्जेक्ट अछि देखो. Me गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट, nice gift गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट. Very good. Varsha offered me a nice gift. Transitive. I heard a lovely song in the morning. Verb को देखिबो, verb सहित ऑब्जेक्ट अछि कि नहीं देखिथिला सरिला ट्रांजिटिव इंट्रांजिटिव जणा पड़ी जिवो. I heard a lovely song.
Transitive.
Very good.
Transitive.
Why? कौन सुनिला? I heard what? I heard a lovely song. एटा ऑब्जेक्ट असिला ट्रांजिटिव. Very good. Next, identify the pattern of sentence. आमे पढ़िले एबे जो SVO, SVO, SVC, SVA ए जो पैटर्न सब को पैटर्न रे अछि तमे टिके देखिबो. First one, Tina is a teacher. Tina is a teacher. को पैटर्न रे अछि? Tina कोन फर्स्ट? के कहि परिबो? Tina is a teacher. देखो करो सेथिरे लेखो Tina is a teacher. मु गोटे फर्स्ट Tina subject. Very good. Each
Subject plus verb plus object.
এটা object নুহে.
Object.
কি? Tina is a teacher. It is a compliment. Tina কোন each अछि पुरा each verb. মনে পকাও each থিবো যদি সেতরে কমপ্লিমেন্ট হি আসিবো. each am are এটা থিলে কোন আসিবো? কমপ্লিমেন্ট. SB C pattern. Birds fly. Subject সেটা কোন আছে? Subject সেটা কোন আছে?
Subject plus verb. Subject plus verb.
V pattern. এটা V pattern হেই দিব. Next. এর দেখো number 3. This book made the author famous. This book made the author famous. এটারে ফাইন্ড আউট করা. This book কোন আটে? Subject. This book subject. তারপরে কোন আছে? কে কই পারিবো?
Verb.
Made কোন? Made. Verb.
SVOC.
Yes. Very good. SVOC. This book made the author. This book made whom? The author केमिति करछि? Famous. So it is SVOC pattern. She bought a car. She bought a car. এটা কোন pattern আছে? Subject, verb,
Verb object.
She bought what? She bought a car. SVO pattern. She gave me a pen. She subject. Gave SB Hello. SVO. She gave what? She gave a pen. To whom? To me. SVO. एमिति तुम फाइंड आउट आइडेंटिफाई करि परिबो नेक्स्ट इंटरचेंजिंग ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट आमे जो आगु पढिले द सेंटेंस may have two objects. Look at here. I gave him a book. I gave him a book. Two objects here. Him, a book. Direct object, indirect object. I gave a book to him. आमे तो कुछ चेंज करिबा. I gave a book to him. I देखो book आगो को पळे आसला, him पछ को पळे आसला, ऐड हे गेला to. So to को आमे ऐड करी करी ए जो ऑब्जेक्ट अछि आगो पछ करि परिबा, इंटरचेंज करि परिबा. सेंटेंस 2 रे देखो I bought her a frock. Her गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट, फ्रॉक गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट. फ्रॉक पछर अछि, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट पछर अछि, her indirect object पूर्वरु अछि. I bought a frock for her. एठारे कोन यूज हला for. So by using to and for, to और for यूज करी करी हमें इंटरचेंज हमें करि परिबा. सेंटेंस को टिके अलगा हिसाब रे हमें लिखि परबा. मीनिंग चेंज हेबो नाही. The meaning doesn't change, only the form or the place of the objects change. So a direct object cannot be dropped from the sentence. Both direct and indirect objects can be made subjects in the passive structure. Object केतेबले दरकार पड़े हम जेतेबले passive करथाउ सेंटेंस को सही समय हमें डायरेक्ट एग्जांपल देख देखु देखो I gave him a book. हमें ताको जे passive करबा कोन हबा a book was given to me. I gave him a book कोन जिबा so object हला कोन a book फर्स्ट हमें सब्जेक्ट करबा a book was given to him. A book was given to एटा क्लास 10 रे अछि पैसिव फॉर्म पढिबो तमे. A book was given to him. एठारे ऑब्जेक्ट अछि, एठारे सब्जेक्ट हेगला book. तापर आ गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट के अछि him. him को भी हमें सब्जेक्ट करि बाबा. He was given a book. लेखिले कोन हबो he was given a book. So in this way we can interchange the place of the object. So here interchange the objects using to or for. Look at the sentence. First sentence. एठारे भी देखिबो तुमे दुईटा ऑब्जेक्ट अछि ताको इंटरचेंज करबा को पड़िबो. The chief guest offered me a prize. Here the chief guest offered me a prize. Chief guest subject, offered verb. कौन ऑफर कले प्राइस गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट कहा को whom me indirect object. me गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट आसिला, प्राइस गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट आसिला. तो हमें प्राइस को आगो को नेबा, me को पछ को नेबा. ऐड करिबा कोन to न हेले for. जोठी जो जहा यूज हेई परिबो. सो कोन आंसर हेबो the chief guest offered. The chief guest offered. हमें फर्स्ट लास्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को फर्स्ट कोने आसीबा a price to me मते देले. The chief guest offered a prize to me. अब एथरे टू लगे कि हमें चेंज करि पारिले. Fetch me a glass of water. कोन हे परिबो fetch me a glass of water. Fetch me a glass of water. Fetch a glass of water for me. Fetch a glass of water. Glass of water आगो को पळे आसला, me पछ को पळे आसला. It comes last and for is used here. Next one. Chumki sent Sunita and Tapan her best wishes. Chumki sent her. आमे कोन लिखबा Chumki sent. कोन सेंड कला her best wishes फर्स्ट कोन आसला. कहा को to Sunita and Tapan. Chumki sent her best wishes. देखो हमें फर्स्ट किछि करबा नै खाली to या for यूज होची सेटा देखिबार अछि. You have to learn how to use to and for, then bring the direct subject first and indirect subject in the second place. Trees gives us valuable things. Trees gives us plenty of valuable things. एटा देखो trees give verb पर्यंत लिखिलो. Trees give what? Plenty of valuable things. आगो को आनी आसलो फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. For trees give plenty of valuable things to us. आमको दियंती to us. Please bring me the book of the latest edition. Please bring the book of the latest edition for me. मो पाई आनिबो. So by using for and to, we can interchange the object of the sentence. Now activity time. Find out the objects and complement. आमे जानिले what are the objects? Objects कोठी थिबो? What and whom question करके आमे object find out करि परिबा. Complement कोठी थिबो? जो verb, be verb जोठी थिबो, be verb main verb हिसाब थिबो plus जो become, appears, ए जो word गुडा अछि seems, से गुडा थिबो सेठी आमे निश्चित भाबरे आमे complement पाई परिबा. Then your duty is identify the complement and object. कोठी complement अछि and कोठी object अछि. Sita looks fine.
Complement.
Very good. Sita looks fine. Compliment. Very good. Rama Babu is a nice gentleman.
Compliment.
Very good. Compliment. Ram Babu is a nice gentleman. Compliment. Padmini plays chess.
Object.
Padmini.
Object.
Object. Very good. It is here. Object. Place anger ache object. Padmini plays what? Padmini plays object. Very good. Ravi is looking at the sky. अच्छा मैं क्वेश्चन कर दउची. Ravi is looking what? Ravi is looking what? The sky. What question aସୁଛି कोन हबो?
Object.
Object. Okay. Very good. The court rejected her appeal. The court rejected her appeal.
Object.
Object. Very good. Very good. The court rejected what? Her appeal. What question आसी पारिले? Object ही गला. Her questions often puzzle me. Her questions often puzzle me. अच्छा मैं क्वेश्चन कहि दउची. Her question puzzle whom? Whom आसीबो. जदि whom आसीबो कोन हेबो? Answer me. तो me रे कोन हेबो?
Me object.
Very good. Well done. Next one. As we know that adjunct ता कोन adjunct just add the extra meaning to a sentence. से sentence रे तार काम अधिक न थाए खाली extra meaning add करथाय extra information add करथाय. So it is optional. ताको हमें optional नहीं पारू. It is not necessary part of the sentence. ताको हमें drop कर देले भी किसी असुविधा नहीं. So now identify the adjunct. Complement और adjunct उल्टा. Adjunct ता drop कर देले भी असुविधा नहीं. आ complement न हेले sentence complete हेबो नहीं. दुईटा पूरा opposite. So let's identify what are the adjuncts and complement used in this sentence. First one, this pen cost
20 rupees compliment. 20 rupees compliment.
Very good. This pen cost 20 rupees. 20 rupees out a compliment. Next. My brother usually writes poems. एथरे कॉम्प्लीमेंट अछि के?
Adjunct.
Usually adjunct.
Nice.
देखो, my brother writes poem.
Usually adjunct.
writes poem. एटा ऑब्जेक्ट असला एथरे कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं. But usually is used here. आ एटा हेगला कोन? Adjunct. Usually न लिखले भी किछ असुविधा नहीं. ड्रॉप कर देले भी सेंटेंस ता ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट रहिबो. My brother writes poems लिखले भी किछ असुविधा नहीं. Usually तो जस्ट किछ एक्स्ट्रा मीनिंग यूज करूची. Next, number 3. My friend got first division in the exam. एथरे कोन अछि कॉम्प्लीमेंट अछि ना एडजंक्ट अछि? Whether complement or adjunct
In the exam, compliment.
In the
In the
exam,
exam, compliment. First division adjunct.
My friend got what? Object. First division. First division exam रे ही थर्ड डिवीजन ता कोठी पिले एग्जाम रे ही एग्जाम ता किछि एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन हमको दउची त कोन हेबे एटा
Adjunct.
ना my friend got first division रे भी किछि असुविधा अछि जदि हम इन द एग्जाम को न लिखिबा किछि असुविधा अछि कि बुझि अछि कि नै ग्रामेटिकली ठीक अछि तो yes or no आमे जदि खाली लिखिबा my friend got first division is there any problem? No. In the exam it's extra add karuchi, so it is adjunct here. Okay. Next one. He became weak in a few days.
Weak compliment. Weak compliment.
Yes, weak compliment. काहे के कहि परबो? Verb is became. ଆମେ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ become verb ଯୋଉଠି ଆସିବ ତା ପାଖରେ complement ହିଁ ରହିବ
will
become ଥିଲେ
will
complement
complement
very good complement ଆଉ in a few days
complement
ଏଇଟା adjunct
in a few
এটা দরকার নাই he became weak ସେ weak ହେଇଗଲା ଆମେ ତ ଏତିକି ଲେଖିଲେ ବି ଆମେ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ he became weak ଲେଖିଲେ ବି grammatically correct ହଉଛି sentence ଏଇଟା extra information ଏଇଟା ହେଲା adjunct ଏଇଟା complement ଏଇଟା ହେଲା adjunct next one ଟିକେ ଭଲ କରି ଦେଖୁଥାଅ ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ adjunct କୁ ଦେଖୁଛ ଦେଖିବ ଯେ ତାର ବିନା without the adjunct the sentence is complete or not ଯଦି complete ହେଇ ପାରୁଛି sentence କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ then ସେଟା adjunct ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ହୋଇଥିବ Mira appears foolish Mira appears foolish appears word को मने पकाओ तो ଟିକେ
foolish complement
very good foolish
complement
complement appear verb is used here so appear verb followed by the complement always next very good the man has 10 acres of land in our village
in our village is adjunct
very good in our village is adjunct अब किसी अच्छी compliment अच्छी के थी
10 acres
10 acres okay 10 acres एटारे has verb अच्छी देखो has verb अच्छी माने एटा compliment be verb okay he was still in a state of shock he was still in a state of shock एचरे किसी optional word अच्छी की जहाँ की adjunct होई परिबो जहाँ बिना sentence तो चली परिबो माने meaningful होई परिबो he was still in a न लिखले भी चलिबो कि नहीं
yes
न लिखले किसी प्रॉब्लम अछि कि
Junet नहीं
नहीं so still is adjunct he was in a state of shock कहिले भी हमर किसी असुविधा नहीं next the dog is at the front gate the dog is at the front gate here what do you find adjunct or complement
is adjunct
it is adjunct or complement very good complement एठारे ये अछि main verb तेथि लागि हमर हि जलरा complement आमे खाली the dog is लिखि दिले सरी जीवो नहीं at the front gate लिखिबा निहाती जरूरी next one he rejected my proposals outright what do you find here complement or adjunct
outright is a sorry adjunct
outright is adjunct he rejected my proposal outright just add extra meaning to the sentence so it is an adjunct very nice next one which noun phrase in the following sentences work as objects and which are the complement एबे भी तुम्हारा सही कामो identify the complement and identify the objects previous activity रे तुम्हें complement आउ adjunct को find out कलो एबे object आउ complement को find out करिवो look at the first sentence economics is my favorite subject
my favorite
It's there.
subject is complement
very good my favorite subject is complement काहे कि एटा न लिखले complete हेबो नाही is अछि next is adjunct the main verb second one my friend never tells a lie my friend never tells a lie yes a lie object very good a lie is object here number 3 an honorable man never betrays his friends एटा कोन क्वेश्चन करो क्वेश्चन कले जाना पड़िबो
he object his is
object very good केमिति को an honorable man never betrays whom आमे क्वेश्चन जदी करि पारुछु ताहले सेटा निश्चित भाबरे कोनटे ऑब्जेक्ट अटे व्हाट या होम क्वेश्चन होतिले ऑब्जेक्ट निश्चित भाबरे होइतो नेक्स्ट वन we call Gandhi ji the father of nation
complement
कोटा compliment
the father of nation
very good the father of nation is complement अब गांधी जी कोन object we call whom
date
we call गांधी जी हमें कहा को we call गांधी जी थे ऑब्जेक्ट रो काम करूछंती कौन कहूछु द फादर ऑफ नेशन वी कॉल गांधी जी खाली वी कॉल गांधी जी कहि देले किछि सेंटेंस ता कंप्लीट होउनी द फादर सो इट इज ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट ही इज द डॉक्टर सी वेरी सिंपल ही इज अ डॉक्टर कॉम्प्लीमेंट और ऑब्जेक्ट अरे डॉक्टर कौन कॉम्प्लीमेंट ना ऑब्जेक्ट
A doctor compliment.
very good
Compliment.
and the last one she gives her children expensive presents she gives her children expensive presents कौन अच्छी थे compliment what do you find here compliment or object verb को कौन verb
Compliment.
मिला पर कोड़ा compliment
Compliment.
अच्छा मु क्वेश्चन करूची ହେଲା she gives what she gives expensive present she gives expensive present to whom to her children एठारे हमें what और how क्वेश्चन करि पारुछु माने कोन होइतिबो कॉम्प्लीमेंट हेबो कोन हेबो ऑब्जेक्ट ହେଲା ऑब्जेक्ट को फाइंड आउट करबा को
Object.
yes very good object ही हबो ହେଲା so this is all about your the predicate phrase and if when you will go to class 10 definitely you will find the types of sentence and if you will understand it then it will help you in your class 10 thank you